How do you use meditation to manifest in your life? Well, this is Michelle Blood, and I'm here to tell you it is one of the most powerful ways to manifest what it is that you wish to create and experience in your life. Now, I've been meditating for so many years and using affirmations and manifestation techniques for so many years, but meditation is the one thing that assists you to clear your mind. When you can be in the moment, in the timelessness, you have this beautiful mind, this beautiful consciousness. Look at it as a diamond, and it gets filled up with all of these crazy thoughts and experiences, and it starts being blocked, and you can't feel that diamond. And so you may think you're thinking a positive thought and that will manifest, as you've been probably taught from many, many teachers about the law of attraction. However, the secret is, if you are still thinking too many thoughts, your doubting mind will not allow you to ever resonate with that which you want to experience in your wonderful life. You can experience all the things that I've experienced and probably even more. I have traveled all over the world. I've done huge seminars and concerts to thousands of people, one being to 50,000 people in Kuala Lumpur. How did that happen to a little singer from Australia? It happened through meditation practice. It happened through setting that intention, quietening the mind. It happened through the light coming through your consciousness. So if you want to learn more about using meditation to manifest, what I'm going to do today for you is I'm going to give you one of my best-selling books that I co-wrote with Bob Proctor called Become a Magnet to Money Through the Sea of Unlimited Consciousness. You're going to be able to go to the link below, and you're going to be able to get that for a short time only, absolutely free. So enjoy that now. This is Michelle Blood from themysticalexperience.com.